Hey, I'm Chef Marc Wegman over here at Costco in Cumberland. Lemon, $6.49, about still 40 cents a lemon. Limes, $3.99. Not a bad price for that. $1.78 a pound, $1.74 a pound. That's not bad. $12.99 for ribeye. That's choice. Pretty meat, nice marbling. Now we're going to get over here into choice tenderloin. Oh my God, $26.99. Now the silver skin is gone on these, so you're looking at an average of about $150 for a tenderloin, $150 to $180 for a tenderloin. You don't want to be messing that up. And we got a tenderloin. This is prime now for $33 a pound. And oh, here's ribeyes. Ribeyes are $18.99, $16.99 if you buy the side. That's still up there. We are in the New York strip. These are choice, $10.99 a pound, which isn't bad. Here's the whole strip loin, $9.99 a pound. These little pork tenderloins are really tasty if you want to substitute instead of doing steak. $2.99 for boneless, skinless chicken breasts. They're not giving anything away here for sure. The $3.29 for these are tenders, which are nothing but the prime part of the breast. Thighs, skinless, boneless, and they're $2.99 for thigh meat, which makes absolutely no sense to me at all. We're into seafood a little bit now, so you got a pound of lump crab meat, $28.99. The problem with this, but being from Louisiana, I'm very particular, and if it's not Louisiana crab meat, I don't want it.